So in this video I will show you how to download and install Visual Studio 2022 Community. So just go to any browser and just type download Visual Studio 2022 and click on Visual Studio. You can download from here. You can see download Visual Studio Community Professional Enterprise. You can also go to downloads and download. Just select the download Visual Studio, then select Community 2022. And once you go to your downloads, you are going to see the setup. Now click on continue. So I am going to select .NET Desktop Development. If you want, you can select other workloads such as Python development or ASP.NET. And then click on install. So it is going to take some time, so you have to wait until it is finished. Okay, now skip this for now. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.